Hey everyone, how's it going? The number one graphic we get asked about either PPFing over or around or cutting out is this C8 Jake Skull graphic on the new C8s. And so I wanted to give an idea of what it looks like with PPF over the graphic. Now, given the options and seeing the options, I would say 9 times out of 10 the client chooses the PPF over it. We have hand cut around it. We have removed and replaced it, but this is the most popular option. So what you're gonna have, as with any vinyl graphic, is you're gonna have this slight couple millimeter or two graphic line on the side of the graphic, which kind of disappears into the overall color scheme of the graphic. The graphic is smooth enough that it doesn't trap air within the graphic itself. I usually wax the graphic a little bit just to make sure, but I've never had an issue even if I don't wax. The trick is to make it look as good as possible is to wait for it to completely dry before messing with this line. This line will be about double this size. So once it's completely dry, I heat it up and I run a card along it all the way up, and then I heat it again and I run it up again and I heat it again. I do that a couple times before delivery, and I've never had a single complaint about it. And I actually think it looks better this way, but it's obviously going to be personal preference and it's going to be entirely up to the client. But you can see, like, it really doesn't look that bad, I don't think. And this is on a black car, so this is the worst looking one, and I still don't think it looks bad. But on something like white or silver, I mean, you really almost can't even see it.